Welcome to another edition of our podcast, Your Focus-Driven Day with Lyman Montgomery. Listen, stop being a snitch. Nobody likes snitches. You ever watched a movie and they always have someone to get hemmed up and they take them down to the police and there's two of them and there's always one that's going to do what? Snitch on the other. And let's face it, none of us, if you're honest with yourself, none of us like snitches. But do you realize your habits, your daily habits are snitching on you? What do I mean by that? They're telling on you. You see, behaviors are shaped by the things that you do each and every day. So if a person has a negative behavior, it's because they have negative habits. What's a habit? It's a thing that you do consistently, day in, day out. It is your ritual. It is a thing that defines what you do, not necessarily who you are, but what you do. If you get in the habit of making up your bed, that doesn't define you by making up your bed. It simply defines that you are consistent in what? Making up your bed. You see, your habits direct your daily actions, and that begins your thought process. So I can tell, write this down, 3 points. Point number 1, understand that your behavior is shaped by your habits. That's point number 1. Your behavior is shaped by the habits, the consistent things you do consistently day in and day out. Point number 2, your habits direct your daily activities. If you have for example, if you play sports, if you develop a bad habit of shooting the ball incorrectly, that will follow you where? In the game. The way you practice is the way you will perform in life. And your daily activities shape your thought process, which is point number 3. So if you want to change your habit from snitching on you or telling on you, develop a different thought process. In other words, think about things differently. Instead of saying, well, this is just the way I am. I've always done it this way. Well, this is how we do it over here. Expand your mind by looking at new ways of doing things. And when you think about things different and you develop new habits, new rituals, then it will change your behavior. Well, I'm out of time, but never out of things to say. This has been a great episode of Stop Snitching. Your habits are telling on you. Hey, leave a comment behind. Share this video. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, be safe and always stay focused, my friend. Till next time.